So we got Gilbert here. We have Rosie. We've got Louie. And we've got Dad. And we are going to install a trailer hitch on the back of the trailer. Gil, do you think you could carry this?
Yeah.
Okay, hop down on the ground. Okay, on the ground. You ready? It's really heavy. Is it heavy? Wow! That was heavy. Can you do it again? Okay, you got it? Okay, and Louie, we're going to need to get our tools over here. Okay, take that back to the trailer. That's smoking heavy, Gil. Lou, can you bring... Whoa, you got it. You think you can carry it? Okay, Rosie will videotape you. Take it to the back of the trailer. Back of the trailer we're going. All the way to the trailer. Look off of the trailer. Okay, right, trailer hitch. Okay, right over here. Okay, Louie, you come back there. We need this. Oh, a knife. We need a what?
A knife.
What do we need, Gil? Show us.
Knife.
Okay, I'll go get a knife. You stay here. Okay?
I choose that's a knife.
Okay, I'll get
Let's
use this then, sweetie, okay? So we've got tape there. You can see tape down this line. Hands back, Rosie. And you got the knife upside down. You got the knife. Okay. Okay, let's try opening it now. Oh my. Okay, let's see. Open it up. Lift up. Lift up. But we need to cut that line right there. Your knife's upside down. Cut towards your chum, not towards your thumb.
Oh my God.
Okay. Watch your thumb there. There we go. And put this back in here.
This kind of looks kind of dull.
Okay. So what do we got? Something big and heavy. So this is gonna go up here, but that can fall. So we've got instructions. That can go away. What do the instructions say? One, two, three, four. And now you see some holes closer. So the question is that the right hole? Or is that the right hole?
I think if one's bigger.
I think it should go with that one, right? Okay. That's tighter. Okay. And it looks like, okay, now it looks like this. Oh, that's going that direction. So this plate needs to go like that. Uh-oh. Stuck. Oh no.
I think we should take those out.
Well, we have to get them. How do we get them? Oh, I see, like this maybe?
Well, we won't take it out.
Okay, now put it in. Okay, so now we need, oh, we forgot already.
What?
These these have to go like this. No, don't touch it, don't touch that down. Let's not lose it.
You do that.
Alright, pull that one out, Gil.
Do we put them like this?
Yep.
That's just one.
Yep, put that one in there. No, Gil, you need to put one of these gold things on. Washer.
Here, I got it. Do one.
Right here.
Do one.
I guess the bad guys can just undo the bolts. Okay, so now, who's got the other one? Okay, so Dad's gonna hold this up. Someone's gonna have to screw this on with their finger and put one of those on.
Okay.
But I can't hold for very long.
So what do we do first?
Okay, so Dad's gonna do this.
So do we put this on and then this?
This side, Rosie.
Dad?
This side.
Dad?
And you go the gold thing first, and then the other thing. Can you do one on the back, Steve? The gold one first, and then this one.
Hopefully a lot longer.
I got that. Now that one. Other way around, Steve.
Dad, is this right?
You there you go.
Dad, did I get this one right?
Stevie's got one.
I won't go any farther.
Yep. Do the back. Do the back. Yeah, that's fine. Now do the back with the gold one. Okay, same on the back, Steve. Same on the back. Steve, look.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Okay, do the back, please.
Oh, do I get it?
Yep.
I got it?
Do the. You know what would really help?
Oh, my
A
hand.
clamp. Okay. Perfect. Now we've got this extra bolt, which is like a set screw that probably goes like right there. Yes, that's gonna go on that like that. Push that down. I'm gonna go get a 5/8 wrench. I'll be right back. You take your tape measure, Oswald, and hold it right there on that. And you come across here. This says 92.5. Do you know how you can find the center of that without having to do the math? I'll tell you what you do. Get the sheet. Take your tape measure and you fold it in half. The 92.5. And then you look down the line and it says 46 is close enough, which would be 92. So 46.25. So now we can take this. 46.25 puts you right about there is center if we wanted it centered. So that would put the bike rack right there.
A bike rack.
But
Oh.
if we do it there, one thing about the bike rack, if we go there,
Rosie, no.
is they might hit this thing, right? So I think what we're gonna do is move it actually over here. And I think I smell something sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you.
Oh.
I think we'll do is we'll put the bikes over a little bit to this side, right?
You're gonna put a bike rack on that?
Yeah. I still want people to see the back light. Let's try it there for now. And we'll tighten this up. So let's take one of these. And we can just tighten this up. You know what I should do is go get the drill. And we can just burn them up with the drill. Let's do that. I'll get the drill and we'll just... Wait. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is inside here, Dad keeps the tool right here. Take this. Put it into there like that. Put that little socket tool in there. Oh. Ow. That feels pretty tight. What do you think?
Yep. So, you think it's loose?
I think what we'll do is we'll try putting the trailer hitch in and see how it works.
That wasn't it for that thing?
Well, that could work too, but I don't think we're going to put that on it. I think what we'll do is put a bike rack down here. All right, we got our trailer hitch there, Gilbert.
Yeah, it's a bike rack.
This is, sorry, to go in the bike rack. Sorry, you're right on. So that's going to go in there. I got an idea. I'll be right back. We got to go cut those bolts and we're going to need our safety gear. Okay, you can hold that, but don't drop it, Gil. Okay. All right, this way, kiddos. We're going to cut those bolts off. That was a lot of metal bits on my shirt. Okay, don't touch these, they're gonna be hot. Oh, these little metal things. That's ground up metal. Not good. So that's game over until we get a smaller pin to go through the hitch. So basically, right here, that's a smaller one. That's a smaller one. So we need a different size locker. We'll give it a few days.